Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed mathematics chapter Be My Multiple and I Will Be Your Factor, and in this chapter we will discuss the test of divisibility, type of number, and today we are going to discuss HCF and how to find HCF. So what is HCF? HCF is the highest common factor. Highest common factor. What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. How to find HCF of two and more numbers? There are two methods to find HCF of two and more numbers. First, by prime factorization, and second by long division method. In this class we will discuss HCF by find the HCF by prime factorization, and second by long division method. This method you teach in next class. So we start by prime factorization. Firstly, the question is raised here: what is prime factorization? When a number is written as the product of prime factors या numbers only, then that expression is called the prime factorization of the number. यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है 18. 2 multiply 9. We can write 18 as 2 multiply 9, but 9 is not a prime factor या prime number. So we also do the factor of 9. 2 multiply 3 and multiply 3. Here 2 and 3 are prime factor of 18, and 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3 is called the prime factorization of 18. Now, method of finding prime factorization of a number. First, find the smallest prime factor of the number. First step. Second step, divide the number by the smallest prime factor. Step 3, again divide the quotient by its smallest prime factor. Step 4, continue this till we get the quotient as a prime number or 1. Okay. Now this step is discussed, understand by the example. For example, we find the prime factorization of 72. Here we write the 72 in this box and find the first क्या था? Find the smallest prime factor of the number. So smallest prime number which is divisible by which is divide 72 completely. So 2 smallest prime factor ढूंढना है ना, तो 2 से जब 72 को डिवाइड करते हैं तो 36 we get as quotient. Yes. And now we get again second step था ना, again divide the number by smallest prime number. ये हो गया. थर्ड नंबर था again divide the quotient by its smallest prime factor या prime numbers. 2, 36 also divide by 2. Yes. 18 we get as quotient. फिर again divide by 18 by 2. 18 divide by 2 because 2 is also a smallest prime number which is divide 18. Yes. 9 we get as quotient, and now 9 we get the smallest prime number which is divide 9. 3. 2 is not divide 9 because 9 is not a even number. So 2 is not divide 9. 3 divide to 9 by B getting 3 as quotient, and again 3 divide by 3 we getting quotient as quotient 1. ठीक है. We can write 72. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 1 भी कर सकते हैं हम. यहाँ पे ना भी लिखो तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं है पड़ता, और लिखो दोगे तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दिस इज द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 72. नाउ we will discuss how to find prime factorization of a number. ठीक है. now we will discuss highest common factor यानी कि HCF. what is HCF? the HCF of two number is the highest number that divide the given numbers exactly without remaining or leaving a remainder. Okay. the HCF of two number is called the greatest common divisor. the greatest common divisor, GCD, of the numbers. now how to find HCF by prime factorization? yes. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of all number. जितने भी नंबर दिए हों उनका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालना है. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल में 72 का फाइंड किया है, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 72. ऐसे ही जितने भी नंबर दिए हुए हों, 2 का HCF पूछा हो, फाइंड द HCF ऑफ 2 नंबर, फाइंड द HCF ऑफ 3 नंबर, फाइंड द HCF ऑफ मैनी नंबर्स. तो यहाँ पे सभी नंबर्स का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना है. उसके बाद कलेक्ट द कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ ईच ऑफ द प्राइम नंबर. हमें उनमें से जितने भी नंबर 2 नंबर का दिया हो तो उसमें दोनों नंबर्स के प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में कॉमन फैक्टर निकालने हैं. क्या निकालने हैं? कॉमन फैक्टर कलेक्ट करने हैं वहां से. स्टेप 3. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज कलेक्टेड नंबर, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज कलेक्टेड फैक्टर्स is the HCF of the given number. yes. ये रूल है how to find HCF by prime factorization. now we find the prime ये HCF of 2 number. यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल दिया है. for example find HCF of 120 and 72. firstly we get the prime factorization of 120 and 72. we get the prime factorization of 120 by this method. this step, follow this step and find the prime factorization of 120. so we get the prime factorization of 120 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. and now get the prime factorization of 72. we will discuss earlier. prime factors of 72. we get 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. ये this is the prime factor of 72. now we write the prime factor of 120 and 72. both are here. prime factor of 120, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. and now write the 72. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. we write 72 like this. now find the common factor, prime factor of these two numbers. yes. 2 इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है, तो ये कॉमन हो गया. 2 इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है, ये भी कॉमन हो गया. 2 2 बोथ कॉमन हो गया. 2 3 3 कॉमन हो गया. नाउ लेकिन यहाँ पे अब 5 लेफ्ट है, यहाँ पे 3, तो दिस इज नॉट कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर. तो यहाँ पे कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर क्या हुए? 2 2 2 2 2 3. So write here the common prime factor of 120 and 72 are 2, 2, 2 and 3. The HCF of 120 and 72, the product of these common prime factors, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 3, we get 24 as HCF by this. Okay, so find the HCF and how to find HCF we will discuss here. So student, we give some question, do practice. Okay, thank you.